My dear children, now we can discuss 12.4. Some patterns. How can we find the nth term and so on? Maybe 6th term, 100th term, 12th term. What is that? Now we can discuss. The first question is, you can see some digits made by line segment. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many? 6 line segments are there for this digit. This is the first term. Okay. For the second term, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, how many are there? 11 line segments. This is the second term. Okay, 11. This is the first one. This is the second one. Then now we are going to draw third digits made by line segments. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 are there. This is the third one. Okay. Now for fourth term, how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21 will be there. So, first, second, third and fourth terms. Here, the numbers are 6, 11, 16 and 21. This is the number series. This is the number pattern. So, 6 is the first term. Then, 1 times, the equation is given there. 5n plus 1 is the form. 5n plus 1 is the algebraic equation for this first pattern. So, n is the number of terms. That is, which term? First, then n will be 5 into 1. Instead of n, we have to use 1 plus 1. That is 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, 6 is the answer. Next, second term. That is 5n plus 1 is the algebraic equation. So, here 5 into second term. So, instead of n, 2 plus 1. That is 10 plus 1, 11. Got it? Then 16. How can we? This is the third term. So how many line segments? 16 line segments are there. So third one. So instead of this n, the value of n is equal to 3. Okay, that is 5 into 3 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. It is correct. Now we can think about fourth term. That is 5n plus 1 is the algebraic equation. So 5 into 4 plus 1, that is 21. But the question is, we have to find 5th term, 10th term and 100. Okay, then how can we find out? That is for 5, that is n is equal to 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1, that is 26. So 26 line segments. Then for 10, now n is equal to 10. So 5 into 10 plus 1, that is 51. Okay, next 100th term, that is 5 into 100 plus 1, 501 is the answer. Got it? What is we are going to do here? Here the equation will give by our pattern we can understand how many line segments needed for given pattern. Okay, then think about the given algebraic equation. Substitute instead of this n or which variable is given there, substitute the nth term. Clear? N may be different in each case. Here first one we have to find out n, a fifth term, then 10th term, then 100th term. Okay, for this A, B, C, 3 questions are there. Everywhere we have to find out 5th term, then 10th term and 100th. Clear? Next question, how many are there? Question number B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 are there for first one. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 7. 7 are there. 7 line segment. Such that way we have to find out the algebraic equation, but here it is given there for each question, that is 3n plus 1. Now the question is we have to find out 5th term. That is how many will be there? 3 times 5 plus 1. That is 3 5s are 15 plus 1. 16 is the answer. Okay. Then for this 100, 3 times, for this 10, 10 plus 1, that is 31. Then for 100, that is 3 times 100 plus 1, that is 301. Got it? Question number C. 8 is the digit. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. Then for next one, 17. This everything is given in the question. Okay. The algebraic equation is 5n plus 2. But our question is, instead of n, we have to use 5. For next one, n is equal to 10. And for next one, n is equal to 100. Okay. So 5 into 5 plus 2 is equal to 27. Then in this 5 into 10 plus 2, that is 52. Here 5 into 100 plus 2, that is 502. For this second question, first they have given the algebraic expression. 2n minus 1 is the first one. Then instead of n, we have to use that first term, second term, third term, then fourth, fifth. Some places we have to find out fifth term. Okay. Then in some places we have to find out 10th term, then 100th term and so on. Okay. So here the question is, first equation is 2n plus 1. Then they found it up to here. Up to fourth term they completed in the question. Okay. That is 2 into 1. First term means 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 itself. Then for second, 2 times 2 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Instead of n, we have to apply these values. Okay. Which term? Clear? Then for this one, 2 times 3 minus 1. That is 6 minus 1 is equal to 7. For fourth term, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3. That is 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next term, that is 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Now we have to find out fifth term. This is the question. So how can we find out? 2 times 5 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So here it is 9. Now 10th term, that is 2 times 10 minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 1, 19. So 10th term is 19. Okay. Then 100th term, 2 times 100 minus 1. 200 minus 1 is equal to 199. Okay. Next algebraic equation is 3n plus 2. They found first term 3 times 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2. 3 times 1, 3 itself. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. Next second term, that is also given there, that is 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Next 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Then 3 times fourth term. 3 times 4 instead of n. 3 times 4 plus 2, that is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Got it? Then next, our question is fifth term. So 3 times 5 plus 2, that is 15 plus 2, that is 17. So the answer is 17. Okay, next 10th term, that is 3 times 10 plus 2 is equal to 30 plus 2, 32 is the answer. So here 32. Then 100th term, 3 times 100 plus 2, that is 302 is the answer. Here nothing is there. Algebraic expression is given. Substitute. Find out when n is equal to 1, what is the value of this expression. When n is equal to 2, what is the value of this given expression. Got it? Then when n is equal to 3, what is the value of this expression. Up to 4 it is given. We have to find out 5th term, 100th term and 10th term. Okay, here it is 302. Next question is C. Second group itself, that is next algebraic expression is 4n plus 1. Then instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 10 and 100 is the values of n. Okay. Then 4 into 1 plus 1, 5. 5 is the answer. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Yeah, correct. Then 4 times 5, 4. 16 plus 1, 17. Next 4 times 5. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. Okay. Then 4 times 10, 40. 40 plus 1, 41. Then 4 times 100. What is mean by 4n? That is 4 times n. Instead of n, we can use these values. So 4 times 100 plus 1 is there itself. Okay. 401. Next question is 7n plus 20. Here, when n is equal to 1, 7 into 1. 7 plus 20, 27. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 20, that is 34. Then 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 20, 41. Okay. Then 7 times 4, 20, 28. 28 plus 20, that is 48. The question is 5, 10 and 100. Up to here it is there in the textbook. Then 7 times 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 20, that is 55. Okay. Then 7 times 10 plus 20, that is 70. Plus 20, that is 90. Then 7 times 100, 700. 700 plus 20, 720. Okay. Next, one more question is there, that is n square plus 1. What is mean by n square? That is n multiplied by n, then plus 1. Okay, n square, n into n raised to 3, that is n into n. Okay, n raised to 4. How many times? N into n. 4 times. Okay. Now the question is n square. So when n is equal to 1, that is 1 square plus 1. 1 square is equal to square numbers. 1 itself. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 is the answer. Yeah. Then n square plus 1. N will be 2. So 2 squared plus 1. That is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Then 3 squared plus 1. 3 square. 3 into 3. 9. 9 plus 1. That is 10. 10 is the answer. Then 4 squared. 4 square is equal to 4 into 4. That is 16. Then 16 plus 1. 17. Okay. Then next we have to find out 5th term, 10th term and 100th term. So n square plus 1. N square, 5 square plus 1. 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So the answer is 26. Then in case of 10, 10 squared. 10 squared plus 1. 10 into 10, 100. 100 plus 1, 101. Here 100 squared plus 1. 100 into 100. 100 multiplied by 100. What's the answer? Then plus 1. Okay. Here 1 into 1, 1 itself. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 2, 3 and 4. So 10,000. 10,000 plus 1, 10,000 and 1. So the answer is 10,001. Okay. I think now you got the idea how can we find out nth term, 100th term or any other terms if the algebraic expressions are given. Substitute the values of variable. Okay, given in the question. Then find out the value of that algebraic expression. Okay. Thank you.